May mga bagay o tao ba sa buhay mo na alam mong bad influence? Hello, Unstoppables! May mga bagay o tao ba sa buhay mo na alam mong bad influence, pero textmate mo pa rin? Kailangan na ng severance. Takot tayong mag-cut off. Sayang daw ang pinagsamahan. Hinahayaan mong manatili ang anay sa buhay mo. Tapos magtataka ka kung bakit gumuguho ang bubong mo. Cut it off bago ka maubos. If your right hand causes you to stumble, cut it off. Ganon ka seryoso si Jesus sa kasalanan. Makipag-break ka na sa bisyo, i-unfriend mo na ang temptation. You need to sever the ties that bind you to your past so you can walk into your future. Matthew chapter 5 verse 30 commands, and if your right hand causes you to stumble, cut it off and throw it away. Kasing layo ng sea of clouds na yan. Cut off. Walang negotiation. Cut the bad ties. Initiate severance. Again, this is Miss Judy Ann reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye!